whispered logic puzzles. Thank you for joining me. I'm Andrea, and I'm going to begin level 3-1 of Hexcells Infinite. Okay, this 2 in dashes means that of these 4 cells, there will be 2 blues that are separated. This 4 means in these 6 cells there will be 4 blues. And this 2 in dashes means there will be 2 blues among these 4 cells separated. This 3 means there will be 3 blues in these 6 cells. And each of these tells how many blues will be in the straight line below. So, I'm going to start up here. So we have the 2 with the dashes. That means, let's say there's a blue here. The other blue could be either here or here. If I have a blue here, the other blue would have to be here. If I had a blue here, the other blue would have to be here. And if I had a blue here, there could be a blue here or here. So in all of these cases, one of these 2 is blue, and one of these 2 is blue. Over here is a mirror of that at this point. So one of these 2 will be blue, and one of these 2 will be blue. So for this 4, there's 1 blue, 2 blues, 3 blues, 4 blues. Now I'm going to look at this 2 up here, because I've already got 1 blue put in here. One of these 2 has to be a second blue, which means for this 2 in dashes, I can't have a blue on both sides because it would violate this rule. So there will be 1 blue down here and a second blue up here. That means over here I can open, 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 open. And then this 2 going the other way is the same thing. There's 1 blue here. The second blue will be here or here. Because this 2 will have 1 blue up here and 1 blue down here. That means I can open, 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 open. Okay. So this 2 has 1 blue and 2 blues. This one is satisfied with 1 blue, so I can open. This one will have 1 blue. This 2 will have 1 blue, 2 blues. And then this 2 is satisfied with 1 blue, 2 blues, so I can open, open. This 2 in dashes means next to this 1 blue, this will be open. And this 2 in dashes means that next to this 1 blue, this will be open. Okay. Looking over here, there's a 1. It has 1 blue already. So I can open, 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 open. And this whole row is satisfied. I'm looking has 1 blue, 2 blues, 3 blues. So I can open. This 2 has 1 blue, 2 blues. This 2 is satisfied with 1 blue, 2 blues. So we open, open. This 2 has 1 blue, 2 blues. This 4 has 1 blue, 2 blues, 3 blues, and 4 blues. And this 2 is satisfied with 1 blue, 2 blues. So open. Okay. Let's look at this. I wonder. Okay, you know what I can do here? This 2. I know that one of these 2 will be blue, and here's another blue. So I can open, 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 open. This 2 is satisfied with 1 blue, 2 blues. So I can open, open, open. And 0, so open, open. And 0, so open, open. This 3 has 1 blue, 2 blues, 3 blues. This 2 has 1 blue, 2 blues. This one is satisfied with 1 blue, so I can open. This one will have 1 blue. Let's look at this again. This 2. Okay, it has 1 blue here. So this will be 2 blues, and that satisfies this. This 3 is satisfied with 1 blue, 2 blues, 3 blues. So open. This 2 has 1 blue, 2 blues. This one is satisfied with 1 blue, so open. This 2 has 1 blue, 2 blues. Okay. Now I'm going to look up here. This 2 in curly brackets means the blues are next to each other. So there's 1 blue, 2 blues, and then I can open. And now this 2 in dashes means that next to this is open. And I'll have 1 blue, 2 blues. Let's see. This 2, that's satisfied. This 2 is satisfied. And that 2 is satisfied. And that 4 is satisfied. Look at this, we have 4. Okay, we have 1 blue, 2 blues, 3 blues. I know a 4th blue will be up here, so this one I can open. Again, I have a 2 in curly brackets. That means next to the 1 blue, there's 2 blues. I can open here. And now to satisfy this 4, I have the 1 blue, 2 blues, 3 blues, and 4 blues. And this is satisfied. And this 2 is satisfied with 1 blue, 2 blues. So I can open. And this 2 is satisfied. Okay, I only have 3 remaining, and they are all right around this. So I can open, 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 open. And here's a 0, so I can open. And I have a 2. So I have 1 blue, 2 blues. This one is satisfied with 1 blue, so I can open. This one is satisfied with 1 blue, so I can open. And then 2 will have 1 blue, 2 blues. Alright. Look out here. Now we'll go ahead and start level 3-2. Okay, so Okay, so along here there's one blue. That means of these two, only one of these can be blue. So for this 5, I've got one blue, two blues, three blues, four blues, five blues. And then along this, since I know there's one blue down here, I can open, 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 open. This one is now satisfied with one blue, so I can open, 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 open. This 2 is satisfied with one blue, two blues, so I can open, open. This 1 is satisfied with one blue, so I can open, open, open. And this 0 means I can open. This 3 in curly brackets has one blue, two blues, three blues, then open. This 1 is satisfied with one blue, so open. Okay, let's see. This 2 has one blue, two blues, so I can open. And this 2 has one blue, two blues. And that means that this is satisfied now. Okay, this says 4. There's one blue, two blues, three blues. So somewhere in here there's a single blue. Each of these have one that's over here. So they have to share it, which means the blue has to be right there. So I can open, open, and this is satisfied. This 1 is satisfied with one blue, so I can open, open. This 1 is satisfied with one blue, so I can open, open. Okay, this 4 has none down here, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cells. This 1, that means either this one or this one will be blue. So for this 4, we'll have one blue here, then 2 blues, 3 blues, 4 blues. And now this 2 is satisfied with one blue, 2 blues, so I can open. And this 1 has one blue, so now this 4 is satisfied. This 2 has one blue, 2 blues, so open, open. This 1 is satisfied with one blue, so open, open, open. This 2 is satisfied with one blue, 2 blues, so open, open. And this 2 is satisfied with one blue, 2 blues, so open, open. This 1 is satisfied with one blue, so open. And if I look in this column, it says there's 2, so I have one blue and 2 blues. And that is satisfied. This column says 2 blues, and I already have one blue and 2 blues, so I can open, open, and it's satisfied. This 2 has one blue, and one of these 2 will be a second blue. This 2 has one blue down here, This 0 means I can open, open, open. And now this 3 has 1 blue, 2 blues, 3 blues. And this 3 is satisfied. This 2 has 1 blue, 2 blues. So I can open, open. This one is satisfied with 1 blue. This one is satisfied with 1 blue. I can open, open. This one is satisfied with 1 blue, so I can open. Let's see. Okay, this one right here is satisfied with 1 blue, so I can open, 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 and the 1 is satisfied. This 3 has 1 blue, 2 blues, and the 3rd blue will be in one of these 2. That means this 3 will have 1 and 2 blues, 3 blues. Now this 1 is satisfied with 1 blue, so I can open, open, and this 1 will have 1 blue. This 3 is satisfied. This 2 is satisfied with 1 blue, 2 blues, so I can open. This 1 is satisfied with 1 blue, so I'll open, open. This column has 1 blue, so I'll open, 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 and it's satisfied. This and 0 means I can open, open. And this 1 means there'll be 1 blue. This 1 is satisfied with 1 blue, so I can open. This 2 is satisfied with 1 blue, 2 blues. So I can mark that complete. This 2 is also satisfied with 1 blue, 2 blues, so I can open, open. This 2 has 1 blue, and then up here among these, there'll be a 2nd blue. These each have 1 over here, and it has to be shared, so it'll be right there. And then I can open, 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 and this column is complete. This 1 is satisfied with 1 blue, so I can open, open. This 1 is satisfied with 1 blue, so I can open, open. And this 1 means there will only be 1 blue in this column. This 2 has 1 blue, and the 2nd will be over here. This 3 has 1 blue, 2 blues, and the 3rd will be over here. So since they have to share, the blue will be right here. And I can open, open, and this column is complete. This 2 has 1 blue, 2 blues. This 3 has 1 blue, 2 blues, 3 blues, so I can open. Okay. Let's see. Alright, this 2 has 1 blue down here. And then there's a 2 right here that has 1 blue. So the 2nd blue will be here or here. But I can open, 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 open. Okay. So there's 6 blues remaining. One of them has to be in here. One has to be here. That could share with these 2. It would share with this, so 1 has to be here. That takes it up to 3. 2 of them have to be around here. That takes us up to 4, 5. And I guess we don't know for sure where the 6th would be. this 5 has 1 blue, 2 blues. So we'll have 3 more blues along here. They could all be in a row down. No, they couldn't, because this one. Okay, I have 3 blues left. So 1 blue, 2 blues. The third blue will be either here or here. And that will satisfy this, so I can open here. And then the 4th blue will be there. And the 5th blue will be there. Okay. So now 1, 2, 3. So the 4 remaining blues, 1 will be over here, 1 will be up here, 1 will be in here, and the 4th will be around this 2. That means I can open, and this spot right here is empty, so I can open. Okay. This one means there'll be a blue here or here. It's 2. Let's see. Okay, this one means here or here has to be a blue, which will mean this 2 will have 1 blue, and the second blue will be in one of those 2, which will satisfy it. So I can open, and the 0 means I can open, and now I know this 1 blue will be right there. This one will have 1 blue. This one is satisfied with 1 blue, so I'll open. This one needs 1 blue. This one is satisfied with 1 blue, so I can open. This one is satisfied with 1 blue, so I can open. And this 2 has 1 blue, 2 blues. Okay. And I think since these levels are becoming a little more complex, I'm just going to do half of level 3, so I'll do 3-1 to 3-3 today. So here's 3-3. Okay, well, this is teaching us about the line numbers. It says line numbers ignore gaps. That means this 3 in curly cues. It means 3 blues will be next to each other. Even if it's a gap, it doesn't matter. So this 1 means this is a blue. Then to satisfy the 3, I'll have 1 blue, 2 blues, 3 blues, and I can open, and that's satisfied. This 2 in dashes means that next to this 1 blue I can open, and this 0 means I can open there, and this 1 means that this is a blue, and now this 2 is satisfied. Okay, this 2 in curly brackets means that 2 in here next to each other will be blue. Same here. 3 in curly brackets. If it started here, it'd be 1, 2, 3. But if it started here, it'd be 1, 2, 3. And here's a 2 with dashes. And there's only 3 openings. So since the 2 blues can't be next to each other, go blue, open, blue, and we'll have the 2 blues to satisfy this. And now we have, for this 3, we'll have 1 blue, 2 blues, 3 blues, so I can open, and it's satisfied. Okay, this 2 in curly